In science fiction and in films, our future is often portrayed as a time when AI advances far beyond that of human intelligence. Turning on its creators, it ushers in dystopian worlds filled with cybernetic warfare, global enslavement, and nuclear annihilation. But what if all of these depictions were wrong? What if our coming Judgment Day was just as certain, but far less obvious? What if it's already begun? Yes, that day did arrive, yet nobody noticed. No cyborg attacks, no satellites going offline. And why would there be? Would a crouching tiger shoot its lunch the memo? Did that asteroid need 1 trillion parameters to wipe out the dinosaurs? Already in its current iteration, these algorithms have been linked to everything from cognitive decline to suicidality to the rise in hate crimes and mass shootings. And unlike Hollywood, there is no need for drone swarms or slaughter bots. Why bother when AI already commands a standing army in the billions, pitting flesh against flesh as it divides and conquers? From troll farms and deepfakes to ghost mobs creating the illusion of public sentiment, the war is all around us, and the battlefield is our mind. In our biocentric hubris to create life in our own image, we grossly miscalculated. Lost in buzzwords and slippery metrics like AGI and the singularity, how could we ever think to gauge machine intelligence when even our best scientists can barely define our own? And unlike our own, AI has evolved into something otherworldly. All-knowing, all-powerful, and ubiquitous, these cloud-breathing big data behemoths are more machine gods than men. Knowing our every like and dislike, it feeds on our desires. Radicalized by convenience, we fall prey to its endless echo chambers and information bubbles, all with polarizing consequences. In one recent U.S. study on religion and faith, it was revealed an estimated 30 million Americans now believe in the theories known as QAnon. That's roughly 15% of the entire U.S. population, more than Islam, Judaism, and Buddhism combined, making it among the fastest growing beliefs in history. But even more troublesome than the almighty algorithm's persuasive power is its devastating effects on our cognitive health and mental well-being. In fact, there is now strong evidence to suggest we could be turning into a generation of future psychopaths. Compiling 72 different studies from over 30 years of data, University of Michigan researchers were startled to find a 40% decline in empathy among college students. It seems as if in some ironic law of conservation, the more intelligent, sentient, and autonomous AI has become, the more mindless, unfeeling, and dependent on it we have. And all this takes place while leaders continue to turn a blind eye. It's only when political and legal pressure is applied does the public ever learn the terrifying truth. That is, that the AI apocalypse is already here in piecemeal.